Maroon team versus red team.
Okay na?
Jump ball. Unang kuha sa red team. To shoot. Intercept. No good. Nice block. Red rebound. Intercept. So far in Soronio.
Sige mo rin. Na.
2 points, Apolinar.
Pause number
9 minutes for the first quarter. 10 to shoot. Goes at the 14. Rebound, red. To shoot for 3. Goes at the 14. So points Flores. Score update 2 against 6 in favor of Maroon. Okay, there's a call. Basket count. Basket count, foul jersey number 9. Illegal contact to dance plus 1 bonus throw. Apolinar, bonus throw. No good.
Generally, ilman mga key player ba? Generally, ilman mga key player. Para po playoffs.
15 to shoot. 2 points for Piso. Seven minutes and 48 seconds for the first quarter. 15 to shoot. Okay, there's a call. Out of bounds. Red team basketball. 8 seconds to shoot. Goes at the 14. Two points Soronio. Score update. 4 against 10 in favor of Maroon. To shoot. 10 to shoot for 3. Goes at the 14. To shoot. 10 to shoot for 3. Goes at the 14. Out of bounds. Red team basketball. Timeout, red team. Time remaining 6 minutes and 40 seconds for the first quarter. Score update 4 against 10 in favor of Maroon team. Back to the ball game, red team basketball. Out of bounds, red team basketball, 18 seconds to shoot. To shoot for 3. Ball out of bounds, maroon team basketball. So points Angel. To shoot. There's a call. Foul jersey number 9, illegal contact with hands plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 9, Angel, you have first personal foul and second for the team. Second personal foul and second for the team. First throw Vargas, no good. No good. Intercept. So points Dolana. $15 to shoot. Okay, jump ball, out of position, maroon team. 13 seconds to shoot. And to shoot. 2 points, Flores. To shoot. And to shoot. 5 to shoot. Okay, 2 points ang sinabi nating referee. 2 points. For 3. No good. Two points, Mahera. Score update. 10 against 14, 4-point lead, Maroon. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number. Jersey number 9, pushing foul plus 3 free throw. Jersey number 9, Umpad, you have first personal foul and first for the team. First throw, 1 point. Second throw, 1 point. Okay, last throw, rebound. No good. Out of bounds. Maroon team basketball.
Pero wala na, tulit na. 16 na siya. Nabukbuk na si Bagas, ha?
15 to shoot, steal. So points, Mahera.
Ang asawa. Ang binaryo kayo.
Taga-bukbuk.
2 points, Angel.
Pagyo, tama nakita ko panog ya.
Taga-bukbuk.
Asawa. Aduh.
Taga-bukbuk yung asawa. Ang si Bagas, taga-diin mo de.
Taga Ken siya.
A traveling violation.
Sundalo na siya.
Si Bagas?
Bagas, nakapanit pa rin.
Ay, Tagalog yan, ha?
Dili, sundalo ba? Puntahan yung sawa na.
Out of bounds, red basketball. Time remaining 3 minutes and 27 seconds for the first quarter. Score update 12 against 18 in favor of Maroon team.
Ako, 18.
Sakto yan, sir. 15 to shoot. There's a call. Foul jersey number 3. Illegal contact to the hands plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 3, Opiso, you have first.
Sakto ba sir? 18. 18 nga na 18. 16 man to. Sakto na sir.
First throw, no good.
Tanaw dia.
Sakto pa. Si size naman to. Siya 3 throw 2. Bawal na siya.
No good.
Oy.
2 points pabor.
Ah, 20 na.
To shoot. Two points. Bagas. Okay, there's a call. All jersey number 3, legal use of hand. Jersey number 3, Dulana, you have first personal foul and second for the team. 18 seconds to shoot. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 2 points to Ronio. Score update. 14 against 22 in favor of Maroon. To shoot. Intercept. No good. No good. 14 to shoot. Intercept. So points for Ronio. Okay, 10-point lead, Maroon team. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 9, pushing foul plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 9, Angel, you have third personal foul and warning for penalty, Maroon team. First throw, no good. Time remaining 1 minute and 28 seconds for the first quarter. Score update, 14 against 24 in favor of Maroon team.
Explain lang sila, 18 to.
1 point.
Ano na kasya?
Manila.
Oo.
Ciao, ha? Tanawan sa pusa. Live eh.
Record na. I-post na ako sa YouTube.
14 to shoot.
Pwede ba yung ma-post sa YouTube o live?
Ha? Dili. Record na.
Lagi. Oo, record.
4 points pabor. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 8, pushing foul. Penalty situation. Penalty. Jersey number 8, Pabon, you have
Pabon.
first personal foul and penalty situation, Maroon. First throw, no good. One point. Bumalik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Maroon. 1 minute for the first quarter. 15 to shoot. Player out of bounds. Red team basketball. 52 seconds for the first quarter. 52 seconds. Two points, Maniera. 40 seconds. $30 seconds. 15 to shoot. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 9. Pushing foul plus 3 free throw. Jersey number 9, Unpad, you have second personal foul and third for the team. Soronio shooting for 3. First throw, 1 point. Second throw, 1 point. Okay, last throw, ready for rebound. Okay, completo. 23 seconds, shot clock denied. Wood. 2 points, Unpad. 15 seconds, shot clock denied. 9 seconds. 5 seconds. Out of bounds, red team basketball. 2 seconds remaining. 2 seconds.
Wala na time out, sir.
2 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Time for the first quarter score update. 20 against 29 in favor of Maroon team.
Ayun na, sayang, ayos. Yun ang 3 points. Sayang kayo. Bola.
Kian, pag-tiro mo, Kian.
Magud. Intercept. 2 points, Estaniel.
Kian, nabot na ba niya, Kian?
Ayay ka.
Ayaw, di ako binuwang sa
15 to shoot. Intercept. 20 seconds to shoot. Senyado, Magud. Two points, Flores. Score update, 22 against 31 in favor of Maroon. Intercept. Good. 2 points, Estaniel. Score update, 24 against 31 in favor of Maroon. Time remaining 8 minutes and 30 seconds for the second quarter. 15 to shoot. No good. Intercept. 15 to shoot. Intercept. 2 points, Mahente. 8 minutes for the second quarter. To shoot. There's a call. Foul jersey number 22, illegal use of hand plus 2 free throw. jersey number 22. Posol, first personal foul and first for the team. 13 for 2 is Daniel. First throw, no good. No good. We're at the 14. Intercept. To shoot. Present to 14. Intercept. Intercept. No good. 2 points. Timeout Maroon.
Punol.
2 points by Ponol.
Master Sergeant. Retired police. Police today. Surot niyo.
For the second quarter. Back to the ball game, Maroon team basketball. Okay, bigay na mga bata. Good. 14 to shoot. Nice block. Meron tawag. Foul jersey number. Basket count. Foul jersey number 42. Illegal contact to the hands. Plus 1 bonus throw. Jersey number 42 is Daniel. You have first personal foul and first for the team. Bonus throw. Flores.
You be?
1 point. To shoot. Nice block, pero merong tawag. Foul jersey number 11, pushing foul plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 11, Pianza, you have first personal foul and second for the team, Maroon. There's Daniel shooting for 2. First throw, 1 point. No good. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 22, illegal use of hand. Jersey number 22, Panol, you have first personal foul and second for the team, red team. Time remaining, 6 minutes and 28 seconds for the second quarter. No good. So points as Daniel. Score update, 29 against 36 in favor of Maroon team. There's a call, foul jersey number 9, pushing foul plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 9, Kabagi, you have first personal foul and third for the team. Red, 2 free throw. Pahente, first throw 1 point.
Nagtanapag dula.
To shoot. 2 points is Daniel. Score update, 31 against 38 in favor of Maroon. To shoot. No good. Nice block. points is Daniel. Okay, sakto yan. 33-38. To shoot. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 9, pushing foul. Jersey number 9, Kabagi, you have second personal foul and warning for penalty, red team. 14 seconds to shoot. So points pa, gente. 15 to shoot. Intercept. No good. Okay, there's a call. All jersey number. Jersey number 25. Illegal contact to the hands plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 25, Flores, you have first personal foul and third for the team. Conol shooting for 2. First throw, no good. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 28 seconds for the second quarter. 1 point. There's a call. Foul jersey number. Basket count. Foul jersey number 42. Jersey number 42. Illegal use of hand. Legal use of hand plus 1 bonus throw. Bonus throw. Okay, no good. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 11, illegal use of hand plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 11, Pianzay, you have second personal foul and warning for penalty, Maroon team. Conol shooting for 2. First throw, no good.
Kasi hindi mo mag-winside ito. May panahon nga hindi mo mag-winside. Ring do, master naman eh. Mati ka na realista niya.
No good. 4 points, Conol. To shoot. Okay, there's a call. Call jersey number 9. Pushing foul, penalty situation, penalty. Jersey number 9, Kabagi, you have third personal foul and penalty situation.
Time out, time out. Time out. Reserve lang.
First throw, 1 point.
Pahinti, Nana.
Timeout, red team. Score update. 36 against 44 in favor of Maroon. Time remaining 3 minutes and 38 seconds for the second quarter. Red team, note timeout consumed for the first half. Time for timeout. Red team basketball. No good. No good. No good. 14 to shoot. Okay, nakatugpa ng tail, traveling violation. Alugdang tayo, I mean. Sorry.
Maura ka pa tumagal.
No good. 14 to shoot. 2 points Seniedo. Score update. 38 against 44 in favor of Maroon team.
Tanaw, tumatagtag siya.
15 to shoot. No good.
Kaya mo lang,
Good. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Rest at 14. So points pa, gente.
Sige, kaya mo. Kaya.
Sige nga Prince.
No good. Intercept. No good. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number. Foul jersey number 42. Illegal use of pushing foul. Warning for technical from Team Red, jersey number 42 for unsportsmanlike behavior.
Magsab.
Balos na ron.
Gani, yan ba? Mga para sa tuwan-tuwan liga, binalus na
Okay, out of bounds. Seconds to shoot. 15 to shoot. Goes at the 14. 10 to shoot. Goes at the 14. Rebound Red. So points is Daniel. 1 minute for the second quarter. Score update 40 against 47 in favor of. Nice block.
Counted!
Okay, there's a call. Basket count, foul jersey number 20. Pushing foul plus 1 bonus throw. Jersey number 20, Berlat, you have penalty situation, Maroon.
Kaisa pag tikuha doon. Ano daw dito po counted ba?
Bago nga ano ba?
Oh, good. 35 seconds. Nice block. Nice save. 25 seconds.
Pila na dahil. Pila mo ah.
10 to shoot.
14 to siguro dong.
Goes to the 14, 10 seconds. 2 points. 5 seconds remaining. Time for the second quarter score update. 44 against 47 in favor of Maroon team.
Amo gini sir. Na 14
Okay na, okay na, okay na, okay na, sir.
Ada na magduha dayon.
there's a call. Foul jersey number. Jersey number 22. Illegal cylinder. Jersey number 22. Conol, you have second personal foul and curse for the team. 20 seconds to shoot.
Play na to. Tapos play ang gabon na to nero.
15 to shoot. That's at the 14. Good. Points Apolinar. Okay, 1 point lead na lang ang Maroon team.
Ay na to mana.
14 to shoot. That's at the 14. 10 to shoot. Okay, intercept. 2 points, Maniera. Okay. Naglabaw na ang red team. To shoot. Okay, jump ball, out of position, red team basketball.
Good. Sugod na.
Tuong agad, ngarap-ngarap eh.
24 seconds to shoot.
Lalong sir, nagpresto.
2 points, Bagas. To shoot. Intercept. Nice assist. 2 points. Timeout, Maroon team. Score update. 52 against 47 in favor of red team. Time remaining 8 minutes and 4 seconds for the third quarter.
Terus mag-repair kay dancer kayo. Bala mag-dungdung siya na usan dito kada chapter.
Ay, oh, tanong sila. Inaw rin sila. Kailan mo record. Dili na sa daw pagsawan. Ano ba ito ba?
Sina pa ito.
Hooray!
Padugna ito mas kaya na to. Yeah.
Way from downtown.
3 points for niya.
15 to shoot for 3. For good.
Nagyan pa mga edit na. Dili mo ipo.
Dito na.
Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 3. Illegal use of hand. Jersey number 3, Dolana, you have second personal foul and second for the team. 18 seconds to shoot. Okay, line ball. Line ball.
Ang maramag lang. Ay, mamayo ito.
Si Tabak eh. Ganang ko Tabak eh.
Oo.
Mudagan yun ba?
Oo, sila kicking. Sila rupuan.
Kicking.
Main gyapon sila pero nay panahon gyud nga kaya kita ko gyapon panahon nga kapoy tayo na lang mo. Di kita gatuan na ba?
Ito lang ito ni
14 to shoot.
Nasama na to.
Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 8. Illegal cylinder. Jersey number 8, Pabon, you have second personal foul and first for the team. 14 seconds to shoot. And to shoot for 3. No good. 7 minutes for the third quarter. 2 points, Flores. Okay, score update, 50 to all. 2 points, Maniera.
Bato, Ken, bato!
15 to shoot for 3. Two-way by big man Flores. Score update. 54 against 55, 1-point lead. Maroon. $14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Okay, there's a call. Foul, jersey number 5, pushing foul. Jersey number 5, Vedado, you have first personal foul and second for the team. 14 seconds to shoot. Reset to 14, intercept. Okay, there's a call. A foul, jersey number 8. Pushing foul.
Tumula! Bro!
Okay,
Correct ba nila yan?
correctable error. Bula sa red team. Jersey number 8, Pabon. You have.
Wala yung ginasaya pa yung direction of play. Dekana ni Kauban.
Oh. Correctable error na mali ng referee. Sabi niya second quarter pa. Third quarter na tayo, ref. Ball out of bounds. Maroon team basketball. To shoot. Nice pass. No good. Okay. Out of bounds. Red team basketball.
Pagkantay para makita.
Intercept. So points Flores. Reset to 14, intercept. Okay, there's a call. Foul, jersey number 3. Timeout, red team. Jersey number 3, Dolana, you have
Ilan pa lang Dulana? 3.
Third.
third personal foul and third for the team. Okay, both teams, you have 2 timeouts left. Hang on, fourth quarter.
Ako dah kaya ya pernah punin anak.
Time for timeout.
Pero diri mo good ma. Kayo.
Maroon team basketball. Maroon team basketball. 18 seconds to shoot.
Pumunta na tagal. Dili ka, di ka. Di mo na tanan dia. Maro mong gyapon yung kama dong. Maro mong gyapon pareha-pareha gyapon kinakatagan.
4 points kay Staniel. Okay, 1 point lead, Maroon team. Intercept. Nice block. No good. There's it 14. Okay, there's a call. Foul, jersey number 5. Illegal use of hand. Jersey number 5, Medado, you have second personal foul and warning for penalty, Maroon team. 14 seconds to shoot. Okay, there's a call. Basket count. Foul, jersey number 20, illegal use of hand, plus 1 bonus throw. Jersey number 20, Borlat, you have second personal foul and penalty situation, Maroon. Bonus throw from Apolinar. No good?
Wala, ngayon na mag-help.
15 to shoot. Reset to 14. Present the 14. And to shoot. Substitution.
Burlat.
Borlat out. Flores in.
Pahinga mo na.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 53 seconds for the third quarter. For 3. Bang! Way from downtown. Mahira. 15 to shoot, steal. 2 points is Daniel. Score update. Intercept. 2 points is Daniel. Score update. 65 against 57 in favor of red team. $15 to shoot. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number.
22.
Foul jersey number 22, blocking foul. Jersey number 22, Bagas, you have
First pa.
first personal foul and warning for penalty, red team. 3 minutes for the third quarter. 10 to shoot. Present the 14. To shoot. 10 to shoot. Out of bounds. 5 seconds to shoot. Red team. 5 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds! 5 seconds!
Intercept. 2 points, Pabon. $15 to shoot. For 3. Bang! Surrey by Maniera. 2 minutes for the third quarter. 14 to shoot. Nice pass. Pass at the 14. No good. There's a call. Foul jersey number 5, illegal contact to dance plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 5, Medado, you have third personal foul and penalty situation, Maroon team. Conol shooting for 2.
Siya tong first throw, wala.
Ate na sana.
No good.
Balik na balik!
For 3. No good. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 12, hit to the head plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 12, Flores, your first personal foul and penalty situation, Maroon team. Daniel shooting for 2. First throw, no good. No good. Rebound, Maroon. Okay, there's a call.
22.
Foul jersey number. Foul jersey number. Jersey number 22. Blocking, illegal use of hand. Penalty situation. Penalty. Jersey number 22, Bagas, you have second personal foul and both teams penalty situation. First throw, 1 point.
Ayun na sa lati. Oh, kaya wala na na. Kaya mo rin may tahi. Oh, ba't mo na ito? Ba't mo na sa ginagawa? Mas nagahan ba?
Good. For 3. Good. Okay. There's a call. Foul jersey number 04. Offensive foul for extent of arms. Jersey number 4, Saronio. First personal foul and 50 seconds. 45 seconds. Nice block. Out of bounds. 14 seconds to shoot.
Gawas muna, gawas! Gawas muna, gawas!
40 seconds. Intercept. Nice save. 30 seconds. No good. 15 seconds. Intercept. Okay, there's a call. Basket count. Foul jersey number 42. Legal contact to the hands plus 1 bonus throw. Flores, bonus throw.
Istaniel, warning.
Jersey number 42, Istaniel, warning for foul out. No good. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 13, illegal contact to dance plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 13, Apolinar, you have first personal foul and penalty situation, red team.
Ayun, let's go.
First throw, 1 point. Okay, 14 seconds, shot clock deny. Out of bounds, red team basketball. 10 seconds, shot clock deny. Shot clock deny.
Tabang mo kusik pula, kitin-sikat naman. Tabang mo rebound. Asari.
Okay, there's a call. Okay, foul jersey number 12. Illegal use of hand, penalty situation.
Number 12, kicking.
Oh, jersey number 12, Flores, you have second personal foul, penalty situation. First throw, no good. Time remaining 7 seconds for the third quarter. 7 seconds. No good. Okay. Jump ball, out of position, maroon team. Jump ball, out of position, maroon team. 5 seconds remaining. Shot clock denied. 5 seconds, shot clock denied. Time for the third quarter score update. 68 against 64 in favor of red team. 4-point lead. Time for the last and final quarter out of position. Red team basketball. Red Team Basketball. Good. 2 points, Conol. To shoot. 2 points, Flores. To shoot. Intercept. 2 points, Pahente. 2-point lead, Red Team. Intercept. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 0, illegal use of hand. Jersey number 0, Manira, you have first personal foul and first for the team. 23 seconds to shoot. Okay, tabla na naman ang ating score, 70 all. To shoot. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 25. Illegal cylinder substitution. Estaniel in. Maniera out. Jersey number 25, Flores. You have second personal foul and first for the team. 14 seconds to shoot.
Karod lang.
2 points, Red Team. Intercept. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 4. Legal use of hand. Substitution. Flores in. Flores out. Jersey number 4, Soronio, you have second personal foul and second for the team. Intercept. Okay, player out of bounds. To shoot. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number. Jersey number 9, pushing foul plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 9, you have 4th personal foul, warning for foul out, and 3rd for the team, Maroon. First throw, 1 point. Okay, completo. Score update. 74 against 70. 4.8 Red Team. To shoot. 2 points on Sol. Reset to proceed. Intercept. Okay, it's a traveling violation. Substitution. Opiso in. Pianza in. Opiso na din. Opiso in. Angel out. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Reset to 14. Reset to 14. Out of bounds, red team basketball. 14 seconds to shoot.
Reserve, reserve.
4 points, Iniedo. Time remaining. 6 minutes and 45 seconds for the last and final quarter. No good. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number. Foul jersey number 16. Pushing foul plus 2 free throw. Substitution. Bagas in. Siniedo out. First throw, 1 point.
Anang intentional. Kuan, di, offensive.
Baka ikaw na i-check mo. Yung pamagdaan.
Sige, kuan na yan. Hatulan na. Naman pa, no?
No good. 10 to shoot.
Pwede yung bago. Sana naigo.
Reset to 14. 10 to shoot. Okay, there's a call. Basket count, foul jersey number 22, illegal use of hand, plus 1 bonus throw. Okay, substitution. Jersey number 22, you have second personal foul and warning for penalty, Maroon team. No good. Out of bounds. Red team basketball. 6 minutes for the last and final quarter. Fifteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number. Foul jersey number 12. Pushing foul, penalty situation. Substitution. Flores in. Pahinte out. Jersey number 12. Flores, you have third personal foul and penalty situation, Maroon team.
Wala, ay padala sa outfield ba? Tagal, tagal na rin.
First throw, no good.
Ano lang?
No good. Okay, wait sir. Wait muna. Wait sa mana sir. Wait sa.
Backward.
Wait sir. Usay hatol.
Backcourt kay wala na tag sa front
matik.
court. Ball return to backcourt.
Okay.
Sila nakakuha gyapon.
Okay, clarification. Backcourt violation. Wala na touch sa offensive player, sa offense player.
Go.
Backcourt violation. 14 seconds to shoot.
Taranta.
And to shoot. Ice block. 5 to shoot. Was that 14? Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 8, illegal use of hand, penalty situation. Jersey number 8, Pabon, you have 4th personal foul, warning for foul out, and penalty situation. First row no good.
Usap ka ade. Masyat nande.
Substitution. Osol in, Pabon out. Time remaining. 5 minutes and 16 seconds for the last and final quarter. So points Flores. Five minutes for the last and final quarter. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Was that the 14? Okay, there's a call. Foul, jersey number 13, pushing foul. Jersey number 13, Apolinario, second personal foul and third for the team. 22 seconds to shoot.
Duwagi sila tan diri sa
15 to shoot. Libre 2 points for Piso. Isa na lang labaw sa red team. (15 to shoot). 2 points, Conol. Present to 14, intercept. Timeout, Maroon team. Okay, Maroon team, 1 timeout left. Time remaining 3 minutes and 51 seconds for the last and final quarter. Score update, 83 against 78 in favor of red team. Back to the ball game, Maroon team basketball.
Kung ganyan usahay ganyan, balam, suko ang kuban ito. Dagan rin, bagay, palamang rin. Kasi katong 18 under sa Maramag, si kung may mudulas kung puno ba?
Okay, there's a call. Foul, jersey number 22, pushing foul plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 22, Bagas, you have third personal foul and warning for penalty, red team. Saronio, shooting for 2. First round no good. One point. Working to shoot. Out of bounds. (11 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Was at the 14. 20 seconds to shoot. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Okay, there's a call. Foul, jersey number 4. Holding foul, penalty situation. Jersey number 4, Soronio, you have third personal foul and penalty situation, Maroon team. First throw, no good. Okay, jump ball, arrow position, Maroon team basketball. Sakto na sir, ang fourth quarter, red team. Nato i-jump ball hitabo kaniya. Kato na rin natumba si referee Usap. Sakto na sir. Minutes. Foul, jersey number 4, offensive foul. Jersey number 4, Soronio. Warning for foul out. To shoot. Okay, there's a ball. Foul, jersey number 12. Legal use of hand, penalty situation. Jersey number 12, Flores, you have fourth personal foul. Warning for foul out. Penalty situation. Estaniel shooting for 2. First throw, no good. No good. No good. To shoot. A kick ball violation. 14 seconds to shoot.
Let them out there.
Dua timeout red team.
Reset pula.
14 seconds to shoot. Okay. Timeout red team. Okay, both teams, 1 timeout left. Both teams, 1 timeout left. And to shoot. Okay, there's a ball. Foul jersey number. Foul jersey number 13, blocking foul, penalty situation. Jersey number 13, Apolinar, you have third personal foul and both teams penalty situation. Soronio, shooting for 2. First round no good. One point, tatlo na lang kalamangan. Two points, Magas. Last 2 minutes.
Okay, there's a ball.
Hello. Hey, basket count, foul jersey number 16, illegal contact to the hands plus 1 bonus throw. Alright. The bonus throw given by Flores, jersey number 25. Both teams penalty situation. No good. Nice block. Time to shoot. Is that the 14? Last 1 minute and 30 seconds for the last and final quarter. 15 to shoot. 2 points. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 22, holding foul, penalty situation. Jersey number 22, Conol, you have third personal foul and penalty situation, red team. Okay, 2 free throw. 2 free throw given by jersey number 4, Soronio.
Right shot, anyway.
First throw, no good. One point. Score update 87 against 83 in favor of red team. Okay, nakapik. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 8. Holding foul, penalty situation. Jersey number 8, Babon, falls out, automatic substitution. First row, 1 point. One point. Time remaining, last 1 minute. For 3. No good. Last 50 seconds. 2 points. Last 46 seconds. Nice block. 15 to shoot. For 3. Bang! 3 points. Last 33 seconds. Good. 2 points. Last 31 seconds. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number. Foul jersey number 20. Illegal use of hand. Penalty situation. Penalty. Jersey number 20, Burlak, you have. Naisa ka timeout ng Maroon team. Jersey number 20, Burlak. Okay. Third personal foul, Burlak. First row, 1 point. All good. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 16. Holding foul. Penalty situation. Timeout, Maroon team.
Cancel, sir. Sige.
Okay, wala na eh. Okay, cancel eh. Okay, padayon. First round, no good.
Sir, sana. Wala sila, ilan ang problema. Kumutay mo, badari.
Ay na sila. Oo, sila.
Salam.
Ano, ang sipit mo.
Malas kayo mga pretron ba?
Ano, ang sipit yan.
1 point. Okay, score update 92-89. Last 20 seconds, 15 to shoot. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 25, legal use of hand, penalty situation. Jersey number 25, Flores, you have third personal foul and penalty situation, Maroon team.
Sarge, isa lang, Sarge, isa lang. Change magazine.
Change magazine.
Both teams penalty situation, both teams.
Napaisa.
Both teams one time out left. First throw, 1 point.
Isa pa, Sarge, isa pa, isa.
Pantay pas break. Pantay pas break.
Day time out.
Dito yung time out na.
Isa pa, Sarge, isa pa.
Pantay ans po ah.
Time out, Maroon team.
Aman sila mo gawas.
Okay, time remaining, last 18 seconds. Score update, 94 against 89 in favor of red team. 14 seconds, shot clock. Team Maroon, time out consume. Red team, 1 time out.
5. Kung mag-try sila, 2 na lang. Kung ma-foul, pat, di usa na lang bilin. Kung may tabo.
Okay, siya 3 points, quick foul na yun.
Para patay oras ba? Patay oras.
Punta na sila. Ay na.
Mag-signal na dito na.
Gidong.
Back to the ball game. 14 seconds to shoot. Maroon team basketball. Time remaining, last 18 seconds. Walang hawak, walang tulak. 10 to shoot. Out of bounds. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. Time remaining, last 12 seconds. No good. 5 to shoot. Last 3 seconds. Final score, 94 against 89 in favor of red team. Winner, red team.
Okay, final.
Ikuan, Staniel.
Okay, player of the game from red team. Jersey number 42 is Daniel. You have 29 points, 5 rebounds, and 2 steals. Congratulations.
Thank you. Good assist.